Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to be doing just a small unboxing. I had this package that came today and I already know what it is, but I just wanted you guys to see it with me. And it came from Amazon. It was not shipped Prime, but it really actually did get here on time, so I'm very excited about that. I didn't get to remove like the tracking and my address and all that stuff, so I have it turned this way for you guys. And if you guys are wondering about this set, I just did this set last night actually, and don't mind this. I was doing something very rough, and I should never have been doing anything rough with these fresh nails, but my rhinestone popped off, so I'm a little sad about that. But you guys can see the little demarcation where the rhinestone used to be. But other than that, I'm gonna pop a new one back on, and these are the set. Here's the bottom, so you guys can see no clumps, no lumps. And yeah, these are my V-Day sets. So anyway, back to the packaging. I'm gonna pop this baby open. I know what it is, but I just wanted you guys to be on this with me and see exactly what it is and what I plan to do with this. So I am going to take this here, and this just came in my drill, I guess you can say drill kit, and it comes with all of these things here. And I'm just gonna take my trusty scissors right here. Hopefully I'm in frame for you guys. Long nails make everything 10 times difficult, but I don't care because I absolutely love long nails. So we're just going to open it. And this is like quite a big package, so yeah. I don't know why they put it in this big old thing here. Okay, so we have it open, and voila, and it has some stuff stuck to it. I'm gonna just take a peek at it. Okay, so it's just pretty much describing like what's in the package, and yeah, and what you basically just telling me what I've already ordered. Okay, so these are what I ordered, and I am so happy. They are, I actually thought I ordered the McCart coffin nails, and these are fully covered tips. So I do plan on getting myself creating some coffin and stuff. I mean, not coffin, I'm sorry you guys, I'm just slurring everywhere. But I do plan on making my own press-on tips with these, simply because me doing nails, it just tends to get really messy, and I always tend to pick myself with the drill whenever I'm filing. And I really want to get into the whole reviewing thing, and I always want to take off and do a different design like every other day. So I would probably have these on for another day before I end up popping these off. So I just figured that me doing press-ons will save me the time, and I really do want to get into selling these and creating my own designs and yada yada. I just love, I've been really fascinated by it these past few weeks. So that's what I'm going to be doing, and it is the EC Basket by Nails Gaga. I think that's what it says. You guys can see that. Yeah, but it's 500. Let me like try my best to open it, and I'm trying to stay in frame for you guys, so it's kind of difficult. This is what it looks like, and I forget what like size they have the size on here. I don't know, wanted to try and remember them all for you guys. So we have size, the biggest number so far I've seen is 7. 8. 8 is, sorry, I think this is a 9. Because I'm like, I know I'm not crazy, and I'm not seeing 2 6s. So, like, yeah. I think this one is a 6. This one is supposed to be a 6. And then this one's a 9, yeah. So, sorry you guys. So, it goes up to size 9. And they're fully covered tips. So, you can use these. They feel pretty sturdy, actually. They feel pretty hard. They're not flimsy like, you know, tips, regular half tips that you just put on. But they do feel very, very sturdy. Even the, well, the smaller ones, it's kind of a bit of a, I'm pinching it right here, and it's kind of a flimsy, I don't know, it's a little flimsy. But I'm gonna take one out. I don't want to do a small one. I'm actually just gonna look at them because I have these nails on, so I'm not gonna try to do anything, but I just want to pick out. I'm gonna do the number 2, so let me just get all of this out of the way. This is what it looks like. So you guys can see that. And they are like so pretty. Super, super pretty. But yeah, it's a full covered tip. I don't know what this one looks like in Go. But what I do want to mention is that I have actually seen tutorials on people actually using these as tips. They're just not putting them fully on the nail. They're just sticking it right at the top, just like you would do any like stiletto tip or whatever before you apply your acrylic. And they have actually turned out pretty well. I guess people really love it because of how they're not like bendy like regular weak tips. You guys know when you put on your tips, because I am like always so scared to file because of how weak the tips are. But these are actually pretty they're not flimsy. I mean, they're pretty, you know, stiff. Like they're just there. I think you can still bend it though. Like you can still bend it. So, but it's a lot more sturdy than regular tips. So like I'm just gonna read like what it says on here. You guys can feel free to go ahead and follow them on Instagram. Their account is at EC Basket Shop. They have a little stuff that they got going on. It says, follow us on Instagram. Our official account is at EC Basket Shop. We launch promotion activities from time to time on Instagram. We also regularly post nail art designs made from nail artists on Instagram so that everyone could enjoy fashionable designs. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us on Instagram. And it says right here why I recommend, I guess I don't know if I should say EC Basket, because I really want to, reading this, my mind really wants to just separate the E and the C. I don't want to pronounce Egg Basket. I really do not want to pronounce that. So I'm just going to stick to EC Basket. I'm so sorry if I'm like slandering the name, but yeah. Anyway, it says, our nail products have been tested thoroughly to ensure their durability, strength, flexibility, and ease of application by all experienced level nail techs. We have nail tips you can use with gels and acrylics, as well as nail tips that you can add your own hint of spectacular wow to, like glitters. We also have nail tip cutters and other nail tools you'll need while you work. Shop with EC Basket now to explore every option of good quality professional nail products available. It's never been easier to get the quality you want, the savings you need, and the nail supplies you love. And they also put their email right here, ecbasket@163.com. And there it is. But yeah, I am like super excited to like use these. I don't know when exactly I'm gonna start using them, because I do need the little stands to apply the nail to, so that way I can work on it, because I don't have anything. So I have this, like, okay, I got a kit and this actually came, but it's like super small, and I'm like, I could do it, but I'm just like, I would need like some sort of tape or something to put here, just so that the nail won't stick to the nail, because I need them to be pressed on. So I will probably finesse it, but I'm gonna go ahead and purchase some stands that I found on eBay. And yeah, because this thing right here is like super small for me to do the stuff that I want. And I am definitely, I experience with builder gel. I really love builder gel. It's very easy for me to do besides acrylic, and I feel like that's what I'll be using from now on. But these are the nail tips that I am currently using, and these are these nail tips that I use. I just sort of cut them down to a better, I guess you can say, size. I'm not better size, I'm sorry y'all, but I cut them down to the ballerina, I guess you could say ballerina or coffin nail shape. But these beauties are what I have been using, and these are super flimsy. They're very flimsy, but they are very good, and they do adhere very quickly. I don't know what causes them to do that, but I have been using this Beauty Secrets nail glue, and the other, I'll show you guys the other tips that I was using, which are these, and these actually came from I got these from Sally Beauty, and they do not adhere as good. I really have to like pinch them down, like I have to really hold them like this to keep them from popping off, because as soon as I release, they just pop right off. So these are like not my faves, but they do get the job done still. But these babies here, I absolutely love, even though they're really just flimsy. They're really flimsy. You're gonna feel like they're gonna pop on you in just any second. So yeah, they look like, hopefully you guys can see. I hope I'm not too close up into the camera, but yeah, that's what they look like. And these go up to size, let's see, the biggest number is, I want to say 9. Yeah, 9 is the biggest number, and they do run pretty large. These here run pretty large. I got them from Amazon, but I can't remember like what company I purchased these from. But these run very large. Like I have to use a number 9 for my index finger and my pinky. So because there is no smaller one for my pinky, so they run pretty large. Just note that. So yeah, so that is all for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and there are going to be a lot of, pretty much this channel will be just about nails. I really love to do nails, and I'll do like an introduction video to myself, but I just wanted to get this out because I really wanted to look at those nail tips. And yeah, So there'll be a lot of nail videos. Like I said, I do my nails like every 2 days, so I'll probably most likely be posting quite a lot, showing you guys different designs, and I do have more stuff to do. And just a disclaimer, I am not a professional nail tech. I am not licensed. I just really love to do my nails, and I just want to show you guys what I have learned so far, and hopefully you guys can give me, you know, some feedbacks and, you know, constructive criticism. I'm really looking forward to starting this channel and to grow with you guys and to grow into being a professional nail tech. So again, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And in the future, after I get these nails off, if you guys want to see how I do these nails, then please just leave a comment below, and I will be more than happy to do a tutorial on how I did these nails. It's pretty much your standard glamour. Oops, sorry, I'm not even in frame, but it's pretty much your standard glamour nails. This is usually what you see. I'm gonna get better at the placement of the rhinestones, but yeah, they're beautiful.